I am extremely delighted to be a participant in the 26th year annual ceremony. I have felt extremely happy when the students were given awards in science, mathematics, English and other subjects. The students were excited, the teachers were jubilant, and the principals were proud of their administration. It's obligatory on my part to share with everyone the Foundation's contribution as far as competition in the field of education is concerned is quite immense. I have been told the competition is held amongst the students who remain within many a country, approximately 70 countries, and they seriously and sincerely participate in this competition. I have told the students today they must study, compete and think of success, but their concentration should be on dedicated sincerity. They should not be unnecessarily serious. Seriousness destroys one's energy, whereas sincerity builds up energy, gives you enthusiasm, and I must say the Foundation is culturing your enthusiasm. I congratulate the students, the teachers, the principals and the organizers of the Foundation, especially Mr. Mahavir Singh and his team.